How to connect with DSPS through ConexEd. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how you have to connect with our staff via ConexEd, also known as Cranium Cafe. After starting up the computer, you're going to open up the internet browser. For this video, we'll be using Google Chrome. Once the browser opens up, navigate over to ELAC.edu. On the ELAC website, hover over the menu options and click on the Student Services Center. Find the DSPS link listed in the table of contents on the left part of the page so you can be directed to our main site. In the center of our site, you will find a message regarding COVID-19. The message partly states, during this time, if you would like to schedule a video chat or telephone appointment with a disability specialist or have any other inquiries, please utilize the following web address to chat with one of our staff members. Provide the link to our ConexEd card. A new page will open up. In card, click on the button that says Live Chat. A window will pop up with an informed consent statement. After reviewing the terms and conditions and privacy protection, click the green button that says Agree. A new pop-up window will appear asking you to choose how to log in. Click the left button with the Canvas logo on it. You will be asked to enter your login information. Use your student ID and the same password you use to log into the ELAC portal. Once logged in, you will be connected with our DSPS staff who will assist you in connecting with a counselor, setting up an appointment, or with any other inquiries you might have. You can also reach us at a remote office number to book tutoring or counseling appointments, check the status of your accommodations, or any other questions you have at 323-285-0662.